I'm Anthony Simmons, President of Lilydale Football Club. I've played with the club since I was 12 years old. There's a number of benefits to the lighting. Number one, increasing the safety level around the ground, because the improved lux level will mean that we can train across the whole ground. That reduces the traffic on the small section that was illuminated before, meaning that there's less wear and tear across the whole ground, making it safer for all the teams to train, and also increasing the opportunity to have multiple teams, especially at junior level, training at the same time.
Being able to play night matches and having more teams being able to train here during the week, which would be great.
Considering half the ground last year was black, so couldn't really train over this side, it was always out. And yeah, it's really good to have the new lights.
Yeah, hopefully we can get, a few of the juniors for the girls and stuff, and get a few night games and stuff like that as well. So yeah, it's going to be instrumental.